From the Lineweaver Wealth Watch Center, this is the Financial Quarterback.
I'm Jim Lineweaver, your financial quarterback since 1993. Tax season is finally behind us, and joining me today is Mark Sipos, the director of LFG Tax. So Mark, we haven't seen you in a while, but after the first filing season under the big, beautiful bill, I'm sure you saw some different patterns, Yeah. So what stood out and what should taxpayers really be thinking about?
Well, the biggest takeaway, Jim, is the fact that the new rules created some real planning opportunities. The higher SALT deduction really helped people, the new senior deduction. There's some expanded catch-up contributions for retirement plans, and of course, continued lower tax rates really helps everybody.
Yeah, so let's talk about this SALT deduction. What really changed?
So the SALT stands for state and local taxes, and previously the administration had a $10,000 cap on it. It raised it to $40,000, which really helps people that itemize, such as homeowners and also business owners that might have higher taxes in some other states.
So for the right taxpayer, that could really lower their taxable income.
Exactly. It does give some taxpayers some more room to deduct state and local taxes, including property taxes, which, as you know, continue to rise.
Yeah, which nobody wants to pay, right?
Right.
So what about the new senior deduction?
So the new senior deduction gives everybody that's 65 and over an extra $6,000 to write off their tax return. So that can be especially helpful for retirees with Social Security income, pensions, retirement account withdrawals, and investment income. And we also help them with their Medicare premiums, maybe staying out of that IRMA penalty, and also with Roth conversion strategies.
Yeah, so there was also expanded catch-up contributions for people aged 60 to 63. So why is that important?
Well, for people working in their final years, you really want to start catching up and getting more into your investment accounts like 401ks. So you can help save that for now and potentially save taxes immediately as well.
Yeah, and the current tax rate staying that really in the same place and hasn't changed much gives people more certainty, doesn't it?
It does. It gives taxpayers more clarity when they're considering Roth conversions, charitable deductions, capital gains tax planning, and retirement income decisions.
Yeah, so filing your taxes and planning around taxes are not the same thing, though.
Not at all. In fact, filing looks backwards, what has already happened. Planning is going to look forward. So now with these new changes in place, taxpayers should really review what their deductions hold for them, retirement planning, income, and any kind of charitable deductions they might want to give.
So Mark, it sounds like there's a lot of great opportunities. So at Lineweaver Wealth Advisors, we help families, executives, and business owners coordinate tax planning, retirement planning, investment strategy, and long-term wealth planning so each part of the plan works together. If you haven't started your tax planning for this year, now is the time. Visit our new website at lineweaver.net and take our planning quiz to see where you may have opportunities to reduce your taxes, improve your retirement strategy, and make more informed decisions before the year is over. Here's Fox News Sunday.